videotape you.
Hurry up, Allie.
You're just gonna keep getting videotaped.
I'm eating a cracker. Wait till I'm done and you can videotape me. I hate them.
Okay. I think I need an ibuprofen.
Alright, let me get closer. Okay.
Ready?
Put it on your forehead. Like I did. Oh my god. You'll see what my brain feels like.
One finger on the forehead and one finger on the thing.
She didn't even do it.
Yes, I did. I swear to God, I thought it sparked. Go put that on your forehead. Do it.
Do it.
Somebody
Somebody
the camera
else
and I'll
do it.
tape you.
Yeah, here.
So they know what it feels like.
Come
Do
on,
it.
Kelly, give me the camera and I'll tape you.
No.
Do
Yes.
it.
Kelly, stop being a pussy. You
We did it. You
we
do
did all
it.
kinds of stuff. We put it in our mouth.
Give it to me.
In between our toes. Come
Yeah.
on. It's your
We
turn.
tried everything with it. You've tried nothing.
Just hold it on me. Don't push any of the buttons because it's
Cindy.
videotape.
Videotape Kelly doing this.
Put on your.
Did you hear it? It's like,
I know. I told you. I thought it was smart.
can you feel your brain right now?
Alright, give me the camera because you're not even pointing it at me. Stupid.
Oh my god, I feel like
Look at
Summer, it's your turn.
Look.
Fuck that.
Sydney said she can't feel her brain right now.
Cindy, one more time for the camera.
Oh, dude, I can't even.
Come on, just
Come
do
on,
it.
just
I did
one
it.
last
Do
time.
it. No, you guys all knew it was gonna
Come on,
work.
remember
You
you're
don't
the
understand.
badass.
Be
Come on, Cindy.
motherfucker.
One last
Yeah,
time.
you're the badass of the group. Start it now.
Cindy, one time for the camera. I just did it.
If you do it again, I'll do it again.
Hurry up.
I can't do it.
I'm running out of
I
film.
told you. If you do it again, I'll do it again.
No.
Yes, just do it one more time.
Scared to.
Don't
on,
be-
Cindy.
It wasn't that bad.
Wasn't that bad.
Okay.
Wait a second here. I need to get set up.
What the fuck?
Okay.
If I die and I perform this stunt,
Just do it.
I'm
already.
ready, you guys all.
Put it on
I
your,
love you too.
on your chin.
And
Do
tell
it.
Sophie
Do it the right way.
that I love her too.
Fucking bullshit.
Now Ellie has to do it again.
No.
Yeah, you said you would.
If Cindy
No, I
did
didn't.
it,
I was just saying that so
No.
she
put
would
it on
do
the mole on your head. Maybe it'll zap it away.
Fuck you.
Come
Put it
on.
on the mole.
Do the other side of your brain.
Shock.
It won't hurt.
Shock the mole.
Just put it on the mole.
Sweet. Hold it for like 50 seconds.
No, I can't hold it that long. I'll hold for as long as I can.
Okay.
Go. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds.
Is it gone?
No, it's still there. Can't you hear it? It goes.
It does. I can hear when I had it on my head.
Wow.
Ooh.
My eyebrows feel like they're like way up here.
Summer, you have to
No.
try it. Yes.
I have a partial in my mouth. I will be electrocuted.
You will not be electrocuted. It's not like
It
that.
went bzzz around
No,
this
no,
ring.
no.
Fuck that.
No, do it. Come
No.
on, put it on your head.
Nope.
You're gonna be on video listed as a pussy.
Right.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm
Put
a
it on
pussy.
your head.
Say, my name is Summer Macko and I am a pussy.
I'm a pussy.
Here. Just take your finger.
Fuck you.
Watch, because somebody's gonna get it and eat
She's
it.
not gonna do it because
It won't do it when I
she's
press on it.
chicken.
I am.
Stop
Put it on your head.
Being electrocuted.
No, just put it on your head and go like that.
Okay.
Go like this.
Do it again. Do it on your nose.
No, I'm not doing it again. Do it on your nose.
It's my
no.
nose.
If you do it on your nose, I'll do
you
it on my
gotta go
nose.
first this
I
time.
know, but I will. But you have to swear you're gonna do it on your nose.
Because you followed through.
I'll do it if you do it.
Wait a second here.
Why did they make us?
I don't have a bra on.
So? What is that?
Get this off my boobs and stuff.
Kelly Bitty
Okay,
tape.
ready?
You can just smush it on your nose for it to.
Marley's gonna eat it.
That was great.
Here.
Marley's just like, what the hell's wrong with you
Here.
guys?
Do it.
Okay, Cindy, you're
Do it.
next. Hold on here.
This is one long video. It's like 5 minutes long of us electrocuting ourselves.
What, Allie?
What?
That looked like it hurt a
No,
lot.
it didn't.
You're like, You gotta squish it against your nose.
Yeah, or what?
Alright, that's enough of that, baby. It hurts so bad.
Are you gonna pee your pants?
No, but I just did it. It hurts so bad.
Kelly, you do that one. Fucking you are
Yeah,
pussy.
Kelly, you do that one on your nose. She's got a big nose.
I know.
Whatever, yours is a doorknob,
You
whore.
gotta push it against.
All right, give it to me so I can tape you.
Okay.
You have to push it against your nose really hard.
Yeah, you have to
Hold
push it against
on.
your heart.
Is it even recording?
Push it against your nose.
Come on.
Okay.
Fuck out you. Are you crying? Are you crying?
Oh, it hurt right
You are so. Tears are coming out of your eyes.
It's because you got all those nerves in your nose.
Or like probably getting your nose pierced or something.
Say it, my name's Summer and I'm still a pussy.
Awesome. I'll still be a pussy.
Alright, that's the end of our video of us electrocuting
What
ourselves.
would we make Summer have to do for